Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. I am going to show you how to add users on Microsoft Office 365. Please go to the admin panel of Office 365 using your username and password. If you are an admin, you know the username and password. On the left panel, go to the users and click on Active Users. Here you can see all the users of your organization and their subordinate email addresses. Now I am going to show you how to add a user on this panel. Here you can see different options such as multi-factor authentications and others. Now we are going to add users. Click Add a User and then you can find a multiple text box where you need to insert data. Now, write the first name of the user and later the last name of the user. I am adding the name Jason as the first name and Miller as the last name. Click the Display Name box. You have to make an email address from that name, and I am taking the last name of the user, that is Miller, and inserting Miller on the username boxes. I need to make a password for the user, and I am making a strong password with the password complexity that is later capital letters, small letters, numbers, and special characters. You are watching that the password shows strong. Click on Change that password when you first sign in. If you click here, the password will be required in the user fast login or when the user wants to log in on his panel. The user needs to insert the password that I wrote on the password boxes. I need to send this password to the user so that he or she can insert the password to his first login. Click on the Next. Now you have to assign the licenses. I have the Microsoft 365 Business Basic package and used it by its limit, so I need to assign a license for Microsoft Power Automate Free. You can create the unlicensed user by clicking Create User without a product license. But this license is free and has some limitations. Next, you will find the user permission. If you want to permit the users as admin, you can create the role admin, or the user should be the general user group. Now go down and you need to insert his or her job title, and I am putting data that is IT Service Manager on the department. I am inserting ICT in the department. Now you need to insert the address of the office. Also, you need to insert your office phone, fax number, and mobile number. I am just showing the demonstration of a mobile number and later the street address. You need to insert the city, state zip code, and last you need to insert the country name. Go to Next. Now you can review all the data that you inserted before. You need to verify your inserted data. If you need to change or modify the data, then go back. After that, you need to click on Finish. Now you will see that Jason Miller has been added to this panel. And click on the Jason Miller name. You can see all of the data of him that I inserted before. Here you can change the data. There are user information, licenses, apps, emails, and OneDrive information. You can change or modify data at any time from here by clicking the specific information. Now it is very easy for you to create a user on Microsoft Office 365. Thank you for watching the full video.